Very quick, I'm going to show you guys how to trade Forex and stocks on the BingX exchange. So without any further ado, let's dive in, let's dig in, and let's go straight to the main business. So first and first, before you think about trading stocks or Forex or crypto on BingX, you must make sure you have a BingX account. So in order for you to create an account, make sure you download the BingX app on Play Store or Apple Store and use the referral code in the description box to register. Okay, so make sure you use the referral code, very important. Okay, so you can get benefit, and immediately you register, okay, make sure you send me your UID. All right, you're going to see your UID here. Once you register, you log in through the app, you make sure you verify your account, very important. It's your BVN or your valid ID, like your passport, driver's license, or national ID card. So you click this avatar right here at the left top corner, and you're going to see your UID. This is my UID here. Okay, so you copy your UID, you send it to me on WhatsApp. You also screenshot it. Okay, click here, screenshot it, and send it to me on WhatsApp, so I can help you become a partner, okay, of BingX. So as you can see, I'm a partner. Okay, so if you check your dashboard, if you're not a partner, you're not going to see this. So once you become a partner, you're going to see a partner hub, so I can help you to become a partner. So without any further ado, let's go. So first thing first, you have to make sure you've deposited into your BingX account. All right, so and once that is done, you click on market. All right, and take note, you need a trading view app. Okay, you need trading view app, which you're going to use to analyze the chart, so that you don't just take trades blindly, so that you look at the chart and you'll be able to make the right decision. Okay, so as you can see, once you click on markets, you're going to see favorite, sport, and features. All right, so let's click on features. All right, so under the features tab, you're going to see Forex, and you're going to see stocks right here. Okay, so let's use Tesla as an example. Okay, this is Tesla right here. Okay, so in order for us to trade Tesla, okay, first thing first, this is Tesla chart on the BingX app. Okay, but I prefer we use trading view app. That is why I said you need to have a trading view app. So let's go and open trading view, so you can download trading view on Play Store or Apple Store. You're also going to see trading view link in the description box. Okay, so click on the link to create a trading view account. So this is trading view right here. All right, so I'm gonna click on chart. Okay, so make sure you log in into your trading view app, very important. Okay, so you can either click on chart or click on watch list. If you don't have anything on your watch list, but automatically you're going to see something on your watch list. But if there's nothing on your watch list, you just click the plus sign right here and you search for whatever you want to add to your watch list. So let's use Tesla as an example. So what you just have to do is to search for Tesla, type it, and it will show, and you click on the plus sign. Okay, so as you can see, Tesla, you can add it to your watch list. All right, so but my watch list is filled up already. I'm using the free version of trading view. Okay, you don't necessarily need to pay for it. All right, so but if you want, added benefits, advantage, you can subscribe. Okay, so you can add more assets, okay, to your watch list. So let's just click on charts right here, and below here, okay, we're gonna click on this and search for Tesla. You can even see stocks. Okay, so click on the stocks tab, you see Tesla automatically, or you search for the stock you want to check out. So we're going to click on Tesla. All right, so as you can see, I already analyzed Tesla, before. Okay, so Tesla is currently at the peak right now, and what it's doing now, it's actually selling. Okay, so you can see we have higher highs, higher highs, and here we have lower lows. Okay, because the price actually broke below these higher lows. Okay, so now this is higher lows, and this is lower lows, and this is supposed to be lower highs. Okay, if the price does not break above this, if the price break above this, automatically it becomes higher highs. Okay, so now this is lower highs, and once we have lower highs, the next thing we are expecting is lower lows. Okay, the price is expected to do what? To break below this as well. So once you understand this basic lower highs, lower low, higher highs, higher low, okay, it will be very simple for you to know the direction of the market. Okay, so now we have different time frame. Okay, if you click here, this 1 hour, you're going to see the different time frame. Okay, so make sure you select the monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes as your favorite. Okay, all you just have to do is to tap on the time frame to make it your your favorite. All right, so now as you can see, this is Tesla. Okay, let's say we want to take this trade. Let's say this trade has not triggered, or the price has not gotten to our point of interest. Okay, because as you can see right here, this trade, the risk to reward ratio is 2. Okay, so if you are risking $100, you'll be making $200 with this trade. So, and this is the price, this price is the entry price, 456.93. this is the entry price. Okay, so if we want to trade this now, we are selling, we are shorting. Okay, and this is the entry price. Okay, 45. So if price gets to 480.90, the trade will automatically hit our stop loss and it will close. Okay, so and if the price now gets to $408, automatically the price has eaten TP, the trade will close automatically. So currently now this trade has already done almost 1-to-1. Okay, so let's say you put $100, you are risking $100 right now, you must have made $80 on this trade. Okay, so if you like, you can choose to close or not. So now the next thing is, once you know your entry, let me screenshot this, your entry, your stop loss, and the take profit. Okay, all you just gotta do is to go to your BingX account and you click on short. Don't forget, we are shorting. Okay, we are selling. Short means sell, long means buy. Okay, you click on short. Okay, so you make sure you select limit. Okay, if the price hasn't gotten to the point of interest yet. Okay, so you click on limit. All right, so you copy the entry price. This is the entry price right here. Copy. Okay, then you paste. Okay, so the entry price is 456.93, and currently now the price is 436. Okay, so that trade is actually gone. Okay, that trade is gone. It's gone already. Like, we've missed the trade already, but I'm just using it as an example. okay, as an example. All right, so, and take note of something. If you are taking any trades with future, make sure you use isolated. Okay, isolated. In the isolated margin mode, a certain amount of margin is allocated to a single position so the risk is segregated from other position. In the event of forced liquidation, the trader will only lose the entire margin of that position, so you won't lose your entire capital. Okay, so this is, if you are not careful, if you are using cross margin mode, you are going to learn this lesson a hard way. Like if you have $1,000 and you are risking $100 and you select cross, okay, if there is a flash crash, okay, a sudden crash in the market, you are liable to lose your entire $1,000. Okay, so isolated is recommended. So apply to all pairs, click on apply to all pairs. Okay, so any trade at all, you use isolated. Then your leverage, okay, the higher the leverage, the higher the risk. The lower the leverage, the lower the risk. Okay, but it all depends on your entry. Okay, your risk too also depends on your entry. Okay, so if you are selling when the market is buying, you are taking a big risk as well. So your leverage, you can edit it right here. So you can swipe it to the left, swipe it to the right. Okay, so normally 5x is what is recommended. All right, so you click OK, apply to all pairs. Okay, then your leverage as well also depends on the amount you are willing to risk. So if you are willing to risk $100, you can increase your leverage to 10x, 15x, so far that that $100 is what you are willing to risk, and that leverage covers it. So this leverage simply allows you to trade with more than what you have. So if you have $10 and you use 10x leverage, automatically you will be trading with $100 despite the fact that you have $10. So if the price goes against you, you quickly lose your $10. And if the price goes your direction, okay, your $10 can generate you extra $10, extra $20, even $50. Okay, so it depends. So once you enter the price, the entry price, okay, the next thing is the amount. So let's say we have dollars there, the amount. You can type in the amount, or you swipe this. Okay, so maybe you want to use 5%, 10%, or even 20% of your trading capital. So it's advisable to use 5% of your trading capital. Don't use more than 10% of your trading capital on any single trade. Okay, so that is where risk management comes in. All right, so then you click on advanced. Make sure you select this TP and SL to set your TP, your take profit and stop loss. Then you click on advanced. So but first we have to enter amount. Okay, but you can still paste in your TP and stop loss here. So let's go copy our stop loss. This is our stop loss right here. Okay, stop loss, paste, TP, take profit, copy, TP. So you can see it's actually simple and straightforward, but if you are not getting it, just try and watch this video over and over again, and you are free to drop your questions. So here, after putting your stop loss and your take profit, automatically it will show you the amount you are risking and the amount you are losing. Okay, so this makes it easier for you to know the amount you are risking. Okay, you don't need to understand pips or points or ticks. All right, so if you're a forex trader, you understand what pips mean. If you're a stock trader or option trader, you know what ticks means. So next thing is to click on open short. All right. So, and your trade, your order will be executed. Okay. Your order will be executed, and immediately price gets to your entry price, the order will automatically get executed and the trade will start running. Okay, so that's how it is. So if you want to enter the market immediately, okay, you know that you've missed the trade, but you still want to use your coconut head and enter the market, you click on market. But it's not advisable to chase price. Okay, it's better you let the price to come to you. Don't chase. Okay, you wait, you exercise patience, you stay calm. All right, that's how the professional traders makes you a lot of money. Okay, amateur chases the price, amateur rushes, but the professional, they stay calm, they wait like a sniper, and they hit their target, and most times they make profits. Okay, amateurs too do make profit, but most times they do lose the trade, lose the money back to the market. Like they lose everything, including your capital. So if professionals are losing, they lose more and they win big. So that's it for the stocks. So let's check out the Forex. Okay, so let's click on market. Okay, let's click on Forex. This is Forex right here. Okay, so as you can see, these are Forex pair, but you can't find all the Forex pairs right here. We have more than 30 Forex pairs, but these are just like, I don't think it's up to 20. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. That's 14. Even the stocks, we have a lot of stocks. Okay, but we only have few here. Okay, so actually BingX is mainly a crypto platform, but now they're giving you an opportunity, okay, to have access to forex stocks, commodities. You can trade gold, you can trade silver right here. So let's use Forex as an example. So let's take this USD okay, as an example. So let's click this. Okay, so let's go to trading view as usual. That's where we see our words, you'll be able to analyze the chart. Okay, so USD is already on my watch list. This is my watch list right here. Okay, this is it. Okay, so this is USD JPY. Okay, already analyzed. So currently we have a bullish structure right here. Okay, I have a bullish structure right here. Okay, so as you can see, this is higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low. Okay, so and we are expecting the market to form another higher highs. All right, so before the market forms another higher highs, it's likely the price might still come back to this level and goes up. Okay, so because here we can see a break of structure here, a break of structure here. Okay, so this helps us to determine the direction of the market, our directional bias. All right, so and take notes to make it very simple and easy for you. You always see that if the market is bullish, it's going to always form a V-shaped expansion. Okay, so this is what a V-shaped expansion. And if the market is bearish, you always see a shape expansion, something like this. Okay, something like this, A shape expansion. Okay, so that would tell you that yes, there is a break of structure. Okay, the market is bearish. Okay, so but here we have a bullish market. The market is bullish. Okay, so now we have our entry right here and we have our stop loss right here. We have our take profit right here. Okay, so if you are taking this trade as well, if you are risking $100, you should be expecting to make $200. Okay, so this is the entry price right here. Let me screenshot. Okay, photos. So I'll just copy and paste. Copy the entry price. Okay, very simple and straightforward. Then you go to your BingX app. All right, so you click on USD JPY, click on long. Okay, don't forget long means buying. When the market is bullish, you look for buys opportunity, and when the market is bearish, you look for bearish opportunity. Okay, so don't forget, always make sure that this is on isolated. Don't over leverage. You can increase or decrease your leverage depending on the amount you are willing to risk. Okay, click on OK. Then you can see this is currently set at market, so we don't want to enter at market order. We want to enter at limit order. So because with market order, it simply means you want to enter based on the current price. But with the limit order, you want to set your price. You're like, no, this current price is not for me. Okay, I want to set my own price. My price, my trade, my rules, my price. Okay, so this is your money. You can negotiate. Okay, that's why negotiation skill is one of the most powerful skills. If you have the negotiation skills already, trading will be very simple and straightforward for you, because you know that okay, this price doesn't worth it. This is what like you can pay for this particular asset. Okay, and if it's time to sell, you know, okay, this price is okay for me to sell. All right, so you don't just buy low. Okay, like you don't just buy high and sell low. So the normal procedure is to buy low, sell high, buy low. All right, so it's actually, you know, it's easier said than done. Okay, it's easier said than done. Buy low, sell high. It's actually easier said than done. So you copy the entry price, copy, paste, then the stop loss and the take profit. Copy your take profit. You know what? I think I have some dollars here. Let me just use it. Okay, let me transfer it to my features wallet. I have Polygon here. Sports. Okay, this is my sports wallet. This is what I have there. Okay, my fund. So let me transfer this to my, I have to transfer the Polygon to my, this will be taking time. Let me just transfer what I have in my spot wallet to features. Okay, features, all, transfer. Okay, so but I'm not sure if that amount is actually going to be enough. Okay, so I'm not sure if it's gonna be enough. So let's say we are using 27% or 26% of what we have. Okay, I've already transferred USDT. So make sure you have USDT above $10, $100 if you wanna be, you know, taking this trades. Okay, so the same thing also applicable for crypto. Okay, same thing also applicable for crypto. So if you see me send, you know, crypto trade, forex trade, signal, commodity trade signal, same process, same method applicable. Okay, same method, same process applicable. TP, paste, what's going on? Copy and paste. Okay, so my estimated profit will be 0.01 USDT. Okay, so my, what's it called, stop loss, copy. So let's say now out of this $1.6 now, I want to risk $1, which is too much, which is just what, just too much. Okay, more than 50% of my capital. So I have to increase my leverage. Okay, I have to increase my leverage. Okay, you can see, let me take this to, okay, you can see that my profits will be 14 cents now, and you can see my stop loss will be 1 cent. Okay, let's try 50. Okay, so you can see now with 50x leverage, my profit will be 34 USDT, and my estimated profits, okay, yeah, I'll be losing 16 USDT and I'll be making 24 USDT. Okay, so that's why I said your leverage, okay, what you are risking, the amount you are risking determines your leverage. Okay, the amount you are risking, okay, determines your leverage. Okay, so my profit will be 77 USDT. Why? I'll be losing 37 USDT if this trade goes against me. So let's open long. Okay, open long. Okay, spread protection, preference spread protection will also be turned on, so you can decide to turn this on. Let's click on OK. Okay, you can see limit order set, open orders. Okay, so I'm here to deposit real amount, real money into BingX. Okay, so the first dollar I made on BingX was by using the voucher they gave to me. Okay, so you're going to see vouchers. You can claim your vouchers right here. So I got $20 voucher, use, which I actually used for shorting BTC, and I made $1.6 with it. Okay, let me show you the proof features here. Okay, so that's why they say when you have skill, when you have knowledge, any opportunity that comes your way, you'll be able to maximize it and use it to make money. Okay, so let's say I don't have any time at all. Okay, I've been able to make $1 plus for free just by using my skill. This was the trade right here. Okay, so they actually, BingX close the trade themselves automatically. So it's their platform, their rules, the voucher is for free, so they can actually do whatever they like with it. So when I saw that they closed my trade, well, because I should have actually made more than that, because BTC actually dropped to $80-something thousand. Okay, and I opened it at 92. So if they've left they closed at 91. Let's assume they left my trade, they didn't close it, I should have made up to $10. Okay, but Anyways, it's not my real money, so I don't have any problem with that. So now I hope you guys are getting this stuff. Okay, it might actually look confusing, but try and watch this video over and over again. Okay, your first future trade is protected with up to 100 USDT bonus voucher. Loss coverage. However, are people praying for me to lose? Job register. So, but whatever, when trading, loss is inevitable. That's why you must always apply proper risk management. So I have 0.648 USDT left. So my $1, okay, is locked for this order. Okay, so when you go to markets, if you want to trade any other instrument, let's say commodity, the same process. All right. So now the only thing I don't have time to explain with you guys is actually, how to do this analysis. Okay, but I want you to take note. The chart analysis, anything you want to analyze, anything you want to do, take note, it must be based on demand and supply. Okay, demand and supply, and this is a demand zone. Okay, so I'm taking my entry from what? A demand zone. Okay, so, and let me give you another example. For the supply zone, here is a supply zone. Okay, here is a supply zone. So just like we have support and resistance. Okay, support is like the floor, resistance is like the ceiling. Okay, the demand is for the buyers, while the supply is for the sellers. Okay, so demand, you buy from the bottom, from the down, and supply, you sell from the top. Okay, so that's just it. Okay, I really hope you guys found this video helpful. If there is any question, observation, make sure you drop them in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, peace out.